Here are 6 psychological tricks to make people instantly like you. Let's get started. 1. If you want someone to like you, talk positively about a third person who is not present at the moment. By doing so, you create a subtle but powerful psychological effect. Additionally, the third person will also develop a favorable opinion of you when they learn about how well you spoke about them. This not only strengthens your bond with the individual you are conversing with, but also enhances your overall reputation as someone who is uplifting and supportive. The person you are conversing with will subconsciously associate those positive qualities with you. This technique leverages the concept of associative bias, where individuals tend to link positive qualities or attributes mentioned to the person who delivers the information. 2. Always be unpredictable. Unpredictability holds remarkable psychological advantages in interpersonal relationships. It allows you to maintain power or control in certain situations because others never know what to expect from you. By embracing unpredictability, you attract attention and show personal strength. It keeps others off balance and uncertain about your next moves, allowing you to influence dynamics and outcomes to your advantage. Be spontaneous, adaptable, and showcase the various facets of your personality, enabling others to continuously discover new aspects of you. This element of surprise establishes intrigue and fosters an environment where people are drawn to your captivating presence. 3. If you want someone to trust you more, one technique is to mirror the behavior of that person. Humans have a fundamental tendency to like and trust individuals who have a similar worldview to theirs, so the idea is to align yourself with their views, even if you have to lie about who you are. For example, if someone expresses support for a particular viewpoint, you should agree with them as it enhances their trust in you. Similarly, if they express opposition to something, agreeing with their perspective also helps build trust. But only do this with people you want to get something out of. You need to be authentic around people who you want to form genuine, long-term relationships with. You also have to understand that mirroring the behavior of others goes beyond simply agreeing with their opinions. It involves observing their body language, speech patterns, and even their values and beliefs, and subtly reflecting those back to them. This mirroring creates a sense of familiarity and rapport, as people feel more comfortable and trusting when they encounter similarities in others. 4. An interesting fact about the human psyche is that people will treat you the way you treat yourself. Let me explain. People treat you based on what they see, and what they see is how you treat yourself. So if you display confident body language, have good hygiene, and wear decent clothes, people will treat you with more respect. 5. The law of scarcity. People tend to assign more value to things that are perceived as rare or in limited supply. By creating a sense of scarcity or exclusivity around yourself or something you offer, you can increase your perceived value and desirability. This can be achieved by emphasizing that your time, skills, or resources are limited, or by creating a perception of high demand. This principle is often used in marketing and sales to drive customer engagement and urgency, and it is highly beneficial when applied to personal relationships. 6. The Zygarnik effect. If you want to make a lasting impression on someone, start a conversation or interaction with an intriguing statement or question, and then abruptly pause before providing the complete information. This triggers the Zygarnik effect, which is the human tendency to remember and seek closure for unfinished tasks or incomplete information. By leaving the conversation open-ended, you create a sense of curiosity and captivate the other person's attention, making them more likely to remember and think about you.